everybody, this is a quick video to talk about the rate of unemployment and how do you calculate that. Remember, the rate of anything means the percentage. So here we're working out how many people in the whole of the workforce don't have a job. So if you're in the workforce, you're willing and able to work. If you're unemployed, you're willing and able to work, but you can't find a job. And to find out the rate of unemployment, you need to see how many people are unemployed out of all of the workforce. And then you multiply it by 100. So we've got three different scenarios here that you can work out. So the first one, we know that the number of people unemployed is 50,000 out of a total of 1 million. And then we multiply that by 100. And that equals 5. And remember, we're working out a percent. Number 2, we know here our workforce is 20 million and 1.5 million people are unemployed. So it's 1.5 million out of 20 million times 100, which equals 7.5%. And the last one, number 3, we know that we've got 4 million people who are unemployed out of a workforce of 32 million people. Multiply by 100. And that one is 12.5%. And be really careful in the exam. Make sure that you put in your percentage so that this is correct and it's showing the rate of unemployment.